What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, Turn Motivation into Means, and the Hussle family. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? So make sure y'all follow them links. I got a lot of fake IGs out here. Got a lot of people making fake pages of me, impersonating me, scamming people, all right? So before y'all send y'all money, please get a FaceTime verification call or a video to make sure you're seeing this face. Make sure you're doing legit business, and you're getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So I'm back at it, dropping some bad credit, get some money gems, all right? And a lot of people need money. A lot of people need loans, credit cards, and they got bad credit. You know, the average American has bad credit, and that's why I make my videos, so the average American can watch my videos and get their credit together. Because like I said, credit is the #1 money game in the world. Credit will save you money and give you the things and allow you to do the things that you want and need. All right, it's a credit card for everything, from traveling to gas to clothes to merchandise to equipment. Home Depot, you get a credit card for anything. All right, so today we're going to be talking about where you can get up to $10,000. Yes, $10,000. Some places it might be $4,500. Some places it might be different numbers, but you can get up to $10,000 in a personal loan with bad credit. You can get up to $4,500 in line of credit. Now, let me explain this before we get into this video, because a lot of people don't understand what a line of credit is, all right? So let me explain to you guys the difference between a loan and a line of credit. All right, so let's say you get you a $10,000 loan, right? Bad credit, $10,000 loan. Boom, you got that. You're responsible for the whole $10,000. No matter if you spend the whole $10,000 or not, you have to pay back that $10,000, and it's an APR on that $10,000, and you have to pay that back. Vice versa, a line of credit, if you had a $10,000 line of credit, and let's say you only spend $5,000 out of that $10,000 line of credit, you're only responsible for paying back the $5,000 and not the $10,000. And that's why a lot of people who understand, who is in the business world, understand credit and things like that, they prefer to get lines of credit because they don't want to be responsible for paying back $10,000 if they don't even use the whole $10,000. They only want to be responsible for what they're using. Sometimes you might need the whole $10,000, but some people might say, okay, let me get me a $50,000 line of credit, and I might not even need that much, but whatever I need, I'm gonna use that, and whatever I need, I need. All right, so if I need 30,000, that's cool. If I need the whole 50, that's cool. It's there, and I just pay back what I spent, not the whole amount. All right, so today we're gonna be talking about a place where you can get you $10,000 in a bad credit personal loan, and it'll get you $4,500 in lines of credit, $10,000 in some certain places bad credit, right? And like I said, if you want a better chance of getting approved for these loans, these lines of credit, these credit cards, do this right here. I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide like I give you in every other video, so you can continue to watch the videos and they be implanted in your head. I'm trying to brainwash you guys' mind and how to clean and build your credit on your own. All right, so you're going to get your credit report, Experian, FICO 10. You're going to see what you got going on. You're going to update your personal information. You're going to do that first. So your name, address, number, email, all that good stuff right there. Once you make sure all that's up to date, you're going to check out your collections. Now, everybody has debt. Some people do, some people don't. But when you have debt on your credit report, it's either good debt or there's bad debt. The difference between the two is the good debt is the debt that you have, trade lines and accounts that you have open that you're making monthly payments on, and you're making them on time. Bad debt is accounts that you have on your account that's closed and you're not making payments, and your payment history is bad and it's delinquent. All right, so those are the difference between the two. A lot of people who know about credit, they start aging their credit at a young age, 18 years of age. Why? because by the time you get 28, you have 10 years of an age credit. So they start the LLC, they sign up for financial aid, they get student loans, they get all these trade lines. Those are trade lines. Student loans are trade lines that will be added to your credit. That's why student loans affect a lot of people's credit in America, because it will be added to your credit. So they get these student loans, boom. They start them in LLC, boom. They get them a car in their name, boom. So these are major trade lines that they have in their name, and that over the past 10 years, they keep up with the payments. They can have a good credit score, because you might take out $60,000 in student loans, make your payments on time every month. That's reflected on your credit. You've been paying this car loan for the past 10 years, paid the car off, now you own that car. Exceptional payment history. You got you an LLC that you started when you was 18, now you 28, and you've been adding towards it every year, you know what I'm saying, since then. Now you got you an 80 credit score higher in this age. Now you can start getting major funded on it, because I showed you where to get them AU accounts at. See? So this credit game is I want to teach everybody this. I want everybody to learn this. All right, so without further ado, I'm gonna show you. Oh yeah, back to it. So yeah, tripping. So you're gonna get the collections. Once you see the collections on your account, you're gonna freeze your three credit bureaus. It's gonna be, you're gonna freeze TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. You're gonna go to those websites and freeze your account. Once you freeze your accounts, now like I said, any account that's 7 years or older is classified as expired. So those are going to be the accounts that you're going to see falling off your those are going to be a collection of accounts you're going to see falling off your credit report first. All right, so update the information. Get your credit report, update the information, see all your collections, see all your inquiries. Then you're going to freeze your credit bureaus, all three of them, TransUnion, Experian, Equifax. Once you freeze, you're going to go back and you're going to dispute them. Any account that's 7 years or older is deemed as expired, so you're going to start seeing them fall off first. You're not going to see any results until after 15 days. And there's 3 ways for you to dispute these accounts. You can either do it online, by phone, or by mail. All right? By mail is the letters are the most effective, but you can still dispute accounts by internet and by phone. Once you got all those cleaned up your credit report, then you're going to start adding those trade lines where I told you to go. You're going to add them AU accounts from the trade line supply, the other place that the personal trade lines, the shop personaltradelines.com. You're going to add all these trade lines, credit strong, boom. Now you got over $100,000 in credit being reported on your credit. Now you just jumped in your credit. You just jumped the ladder that fast, right? So now you want to get these quick little loans, right? So then you're going to go here, netcredit.com, and you can get you a $10,000 loan, a $4,500 line of credit, or a $10,000 line of credit. And without further ado, let's check out that website. All right, so NetCredit, your financial situation is unique. Shouldn't your loan options be too? All right, so fast funding, flexible terms, up to $10,000 check your eligibilities. All right, won't affect your credit score. And it's different things. So we got personal loans, we got lines of credit, right? So line of credit up to $4,500, right? So like I told you guys before, it's the exact same thing as getting a loan, but if you only spend $2,000 out of that $4,500, you're only responsible for the $2,000, so your payments will be less. If you spend the whole $4,500, you can get the $4,500 in cash, but if you get the whole $45,000, you're going to be responsible for the whole $4,500, right? So it's easy to get money with your personal line of credit, all right? So apply, secure application. Takes just minutes. Depending on your application, you could be approved of a line of credit up to $4,500. Get funds. You can take a cash advance from your available credit whenever you need funds. You'll get money. You get the money next day or sooner after a 10% cash advance fee is deducted. Repay. You'll pay a minimal payment each billing cycle, which includes a portion of your cash advance balance plus a statement balance fee. Your payment history is reported to major credit bureaus, meaning you can build credit history with one-time minimal repayments. All right, so $4,500, $10,000, some other places. So with a flexibility, with a line of credit, you can get the money that you need up to the credit limit, repaying only based on what you borrowed. All right, so if you only borrowed $1,000 out of the 45, you're only eligible to pay back the $1,000. Rewards, qualified accounts activity can unlock rewards that make your line of credit more flexible to pay back and more affordable to get money when you need it. All right, so confidence. So you must be 18 years or older. You must have a valid personal checking account. I keep trying to tell you, I gotta have these bank accounts. You must have an active email address. You must have a verifiable source of income. All right, so they got to be able to verify your income. All right, so Paystubs, that's all they asking for. All right, so that's what the line of credit. And then they got other things like financial research about them, financing types. So then the personal loans, we go back to the personal loans. Online personal loans up to $10,000. Get you a loan that customized to fit your needs. All right, so apply for the secure loan application. Takes up to minutes. If you're eligible. If approved, your money can be in the account the next business day or sooner. All right, so flexibility, personal loan, you can customize your loan amount and duration before you sign your contract, making sure you get what you need. Credit growth, your account activity is reported to the credit bureaus. So one-time repayment may help you build your credit in your financial future. All right, confidence, net credit is owned by Invo. So you got to be 18 years or older, must have a valid personal checking account, must have an active email address, and you must have a verifiable source of income. All right, that's all they want you to do is verify your source of income. What is a personal loan? And it just drops down what a personal loan is. A personal loan is one way for an individual to consumer to borrow money. Personal loans are typically structured as installment loans, which are paid off over a defined period of time. The loan amounts and terms can range broadly depending on the state and the lender. All right, typically the borrower receives a lump sum of payment, the principal from the lender, and pays it back at a cost interest rate plus any loan fees. The personal loan with an fee and the fee of y'all get it. Y'all can read all that. So there you guys go, man. Net credit get you the $10,000 in the personal loan, get you a $4,500 line of credit. Whichever one works best for you. Let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. Netcredit.com. Personal loans, lines of credit. $10,000 personal loan for bad credit. $4,500 line of credit for bad credit. And like I said, with the $4,500, you're only responsible for what you spend and what you use. With the $10,000 personal loan, you're responsible for the whole $10,000, regardless if you don't spend the whole $10,000. All right, so whichever one works best for you, you pick, you decide, and you go take your journey, your life on the next level. All right, you must be 18. You must have a valid email address. You must have a valid bank account. So take that in consideration before y'all go apply for those loans. Please take in consideration of cleaning up your credit and getting a better credit profile so they can look at it and you can have a better chance of getting approved for these loans. All right, so netcredit.com, personal loans, lines of credit, go apply, bad credit. Make sure you got your credit profile, your credit report looking good. Make sure you got pay stubs so they can verify your employment and you'll be good to go. All right, so go get y'all some money. It's your boy King Hussle, man. Shout out to all my new subscribers, my new fans, my supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the stars. Y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. Y'all motivate me to keep doing these giveaways. So, shout out to y'all. If you missing and if anybody out there missing these giveaways, I just gave away $5,000. How I give away $5,000? I didn't post it on YouTube. I didn't post it on IG. Posted it in my Telegram. Told whoever I sent out I told go request 5,000 from this person, from this account. Everybody did it. I picked one person, closed my eyes, said did this, boom, and whoever got paid, that got paid. So congratulations out to y'all. That's why I told y'all, make sure you subscribe, hit the all notification bell on everything that I got going on, because you never know where I drop and do giveaways. All right. Congratulations to the $5,000 giveaway winner, all right? That was on my Telegram. So make sure y'all go subscribe to all my YouTube channels and my Telegram and my IG so you won't miss out on the next giveaway. And I'm finna do a big giveaway soon. I'm giving away Jordans, Air Force Ones, lessons, gyms. I got some merchandise coming soon, so make sure y'all tap in on that, all right? So still look for people for the production company. Still look for models, actors, rappers, cameraman, producers, content creators. All right, so music reviews is $200. You want me to check you out? You want to be signed? You want to get you a deal? You want to get your watch, your chain? You want to start making money? Music reviews is $200. Don't write me saying you got some music. Don't write me sending me your music, because I will not check it out. You will not be able to go to any other record label or A&R and be like, I'm the hottest thing, I'm popping, sign me, you need to sign me, we need to work together. No, no, no. It will never work. That's why it hasn't worked yet. So music reviews is $200. Once you pay your $200, I will check you out and we can see what we can do. You never know what happened. All right. Also, models. I'm looking for models anywhere in the world. Tap in. You ready to stop looking beautiful for free? You ready to start getting a fee to look beautiful that you are? If you don't got a good head on your shoulders, I can't work with you. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. A lot of people be having attitudes. A lot of people act like they know what they're doing, but they're not doing anything, which is cool. I'm here to guide you through the right lanes for you to be successful. I'm going to have you doing podcasting. I'm going to have you doing skits, blogs. I'm going to have you doing YouTube. I'm going to have you doing so many different things other than shaking your and trying to look good and taking model pictures and not getting paid for it. I'm going to put you in a position to get paid, so make it make sense, all right? Please don't come to me with attitudes. Please don't come to me thinking you something that you're not, because at the end of the day, it's levels in this life and game. I'm trying to help people out. I'm trying to put people in the right position to win and be positive. So have a good head on your shoulders, and I guarantee you I can put you in a position to win. Anybody out there, from musicians to models, producers, all y'all, please have a good head on your shoulders, because y'all attitudes really hinder y'all from getting the help and working with people that y'all want to work with. All right, so make sure y'all got a good attitude, make sure y'all got a good head on your shoulders, and I guarantee you we can win. All right, so also, you want to get mentored. I'm doing mentorships for $1,500 right now. You're gonna get unlimited gems, and I'm going to put you in the game. I'm going to help you make your pages, your YouTube pages. I'm going to give you documents. I'm going to give you all the sauce and information that you need. All right, so $1,500 mentorship. Also, limit gems, $500 for a short period of time, and they will be going back to regular prices, so don't miss out. Don't be like, man, I wish I would. So don't start hitting me up when I go back to the regular prices. No, my prices are my prices, point blank period, because your prices are your prices, and everybody else's prices are their prices. Point blank period. I'm helping a lot of people make money. I'm helping a lot of people clean and build their credit. I'm helping a lot of people get in a position to make passive income, a lot of money off social media. So I don't have time to be giving handouts and hearing people complain about my services and my prices. If you're not willing to pay, don't contact me. Don't DM me, because nothing is for free when it comes down to my business. All right. Got a lot of people that get mad at me because I'm not giving them something for free. I got a lot of people that contact me asking me what is unlimited gems. I got a lot of people that contact me that ask me the same questions that I post all day, every day on all my social media platforms, all my stories, and in my community on YouTube. So please, don't write me saying, yo, what's up? I want to make money. None of that. When you write me on my DMs, please tell me like, hey, I want to get unlimited gems. I'm cash out ready, $500 on my balance. Or, hey, I'm looking to get my mentorship. My $1,500 is on my cash up or on Walmart to Walmart payment. If you don't write me, contacting me, telling me what you want and money ready, I will not respond to your DMs, okay? And I'm not being mean. This is business. I'm growing my business, and I don't have time to deal with people who are not serious about business or serious in life. I'm only working with people that's serious in life. I don't accept everybody money. You can have the money, and if you got a bad attitude, you think somebody's supposed to give you something, or you don't know how to approach or talk to me, I will not accept your money. I will tell you to stop writing me, keep your money, and have a nice day. Point blank period, because y'all don't understand this is business and life is serious. I don't have time to be playing with anybody. Millionaire, I'm not even so, you know what I'm saying? So please, please, please understand that I'm human just like you. So be cool when you write me, all right? So shout out to everybody. Make sure you tap in. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms. Oh, yeah, book your seat right now in person on the crypto tour, in person limited gems. $3,500 in state and $4,500 if I got to come out of state to you, and I'm going to get you together. I'm going to show you how to make all this money. I'm going to give you all the sauce, all the gems, all the information, building channels, building pages, everything that you need to know, be a millionaire, make $100,000 a month, make $1.2 million a year. All right, so make sure y'all tap in, make sure y'all come win with me. It's your boy King Hussle. We're dropping these videos back to back on every channel. King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, King Hussle X1M, Turn Motivation to Millions, and the Hussle family. So make sure y'all subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see y'all next video. Peace. Go get y'all some money.